Hello everyone, my name is Rahim Asum Raja and welcome to Market Updates and MarketSmith Portfolio Review. In this video, I will provide a concise recap of the last week market performance along with the key highlights from our MarketSmith portfolio. We will take you through the latest moves in our model portfolio and spotlight the trends and the stocks that deserve your attention in the days ahead. Our aim is to deliver clear, practical insight that are easy to understand whether you are an experienced investor or just starting out. So you can focus on what truly matters this week. So let's dive in. So, so first of all, I would like to update you about market status based on O'Neill methodology. So we are in the confirmed uptrend with two distribution days. And on 11th June, market condition has been upgraded from uptrend under pressure to confirm uptrend. So distribution days has been reducing, and we have seen the days where the number of distribution days in the 25 within 25 days were 6 to 8. But now in these 25 days, last 25 days, the distribution days count has actually decreased, and now it has actually only two. So it is overall, it is showing that there is a strength in the market. But overall, the if you look at the chart, then the price action is somehow there is a sideways trend in the market also at the same time. And but overall, if you look at the structure of the market, then the market is in the bullish trend only because it is trending up its all key moving average. The only problem here is in the on June 27th, the market has actually touched the recent high around 25,654, and after that we have seen that it is gradually it is deteriorating, and the price action is actually being downward. And if you look at the 21 DMA placement, it is placed around 25,000 to 26, which is just which is just 0.51% away. And the 50 DMA is 24,939, which is 1.67%. So the index, if this gradual downward moves continues, then the index might retest its 21 DMA followed by its 50 DMA. But hopefully it will not touch its 50 DMA so easily. It will take time. And if you look at the support and resistance of this index, so Nifty 50 continues to trend in the downward move and ending near its day's lows. Yesterday also the market action, price action has been like that. And the bias has actually turned slightly negative for the short-term point of view. Despite near-term weakness, the broader market outlook remains positive. Short-term volatility is likely due to sectoral shift from global factors. And if you look at the support place that I was talking, it is placed around 25,200 to 24,900, may help limit the downside pressure. On the higher side, resistance is seen around 25,600 to 25,700. And after once this resistance is surpassed, then we might see that index is ready to shift in the range of 25,800 to 26,000 in upcoming days. But overall, there has to be some positive price action and there has to be some upward movement in the Nifty 50. At this point of time, as we are in the confirmed uptrend and the market is trading in the sideways, there are certain stocks that which grabs our attention. The first one is Glen Pharma. So if you look at the chart of the Glen Pharma, the Glen Pharma is looking attractive and the stock has also given the breakout and it is trading 4% from the pivot level. So let's see if this upward movement continues, and we are actually monitoring it very closely. So let's see what we can do. The next stock is Craftman Automation. So Craftman Automation overall sentiment is positive here as well. Only the weakness is EPS 10, which is placed on 56, which might get if improved when the quarter one 2026 earnings turn up. So let's see, we need to monitor that as well. And overall setup of this stock is positive. It is trending up its all key moving average. The only point of concern is after the breakout that has taken place on 4th of July, the stock has witnessed a sideways move, and from past 4 days it is trading in the sideways. It has not surpassed this high of 6,000 368. So let's see what happens in this stock. We need to monitor it very closely. Astradem DM Healthcare, after giving the breakout on 3rd of July, the stock has been witnessing uh, profit booking at the higher level, we can say. And from the past 5 days, it is trading with it is actually closing on the negative bias, and it has been closing continuously from the past 5 days. So, and now it is holding above its 21 DMA. So let's see whether it is holding its 21 DMA or whether it is trying to bounce back from this level. So we need to monitor this uh, from our perspective. The next one is Amber Enterprise. So Amber Enterprise is looking appealing at this current juncture. If we look at the price action, it is actually positive. Overall trend is bullish in this particular stock. If you look at the volume spike, the volume is also volume accumulation is also good. RS line is rising, and bias demand is A plus. Next stock is Sharda Corp. So Sharda Corp, after the breakout, the stock has actually came down, and it is -3% from the pivot level. So let's see whether it is trying to show the breakout again or not. But it is trending near its 21 DMA with positive bias. Overall trend is positive in this. The next stock is Manorama Industry. So Manorama Industry is trading in the sideways, and also it is on the verge of the breakout with flat base pattern. So let's see whether the stock is giving the breakout or not. If the breakout take place, then obviously we'll update you on that. So these all are the stocks. There are actually some more stocks to talk about, and some more stocks that we are monitoring it very closely. But these are the certain stocks that grab our attention the most. Now I would like to talk about O'Neill Market View. That is the article that we used to send it on the daily basis. And in this article, you can have an idea of overall market view, overall global market view, I can say, and also the sectoral shift and sectoral snapshot you can see here, and we can have an idea that which sector in is or what status in terms of whether it is in confirm uptrend or rally or it is in the downtrend. Here we can monitor it. And also based on the only sectors and industry group analysis, you can also find which sector is or which particular area is showing the strength or which industry is showing a strength. And based on that, you can just check some of the stocks that in these particular sectors, those stocks are actually outperforming in that particular sectors. So these are the things that I was thinking to discuss. As we are in the confirm uptrend, so it is the best time to be in the stock because the market is showing a strength and most stocks move higher. This is when investors have the high probability of making profit. And what we recommend is to focus on fundamentally strong stocks breaking out of sound pattern. Check out the stocks that our analysts are watching now. Increase exposure as long as the market and your stocks continues to show strength. Our analyst highlights any major shift in trends in our daily market commentaries as well. Stay disciplined and follow proper buy and sell rules. So that is a wrap for all the market updates. And if you found this really helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more market insights. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and trade wisely. See you next time. So thank you so much for watching the video.